Let's go. Hey! Oh no!
Oh! We're fixing this fence that they broke multiple times in the past couple weeks. I'm taking the nails out of the post, the broken post, that is. And the rest are tied.
Just cleaned this shit out not long ago. Here's our new wire.
The power bank. There it goes.
There you go. I think it's broken down there too.
Oh, they must have come through this way.
Yeah, they did. Somebody did, not a big one, a little one. A little one, see?
Yeah.
Right there too.
Okay.
None of these things moved.
No, the posts.
We did it in the driest time of year. I think we planted these in February this year. All these posts, not all of them, but that one, that half one. We had to replace some of these posts too. Ooh, it's loose over there. Some of those posts took. Let's go.
Somebody over here.
Either the neighbor's cow or one look.
I hope he's not coming over.
Oh, it's coming over here.
Probably already in the river.
Getting closer.
Sounds like it.
Getting closer. Now, why can't Conrad's cow go over there and fuck it up?
Yeah.
Let's go! Come on! Go ahead! Go ahead! Won't Marty break over? Conrad's red cow. Hiding back there. Go ahead!
The bull's going even closer over there. The bull's going down to the river now.
Oh, he can't cross right there.
Okay.
It's too steep. He can cross down there.
Okay. Good.
Oh! Go ahead! Go ahead! Oh! 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 Go ahead! Go ahead! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Oh! Oh no! Oh! Go ahead! Go ahead! Oh! Oh! Oh. Yeah! 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 Yeah!
Oh!
Let's go! Let's go!
Oh!
Let's go! Oh! Oh!
Oh!
Oh!
Oh!
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Oh!
Let's go! Go ahead! Go
Oh!
ahead! Go ahead! Go
Oh!
ahead! Oh!
Oh!
Oh! Go
Oh!
ahead! Go ahead! Go ahead! Go ahead! You keep following me. I'm gonna go over here. Boy! Conrad! Let's go, Conrad! Big red one.
Oh! Oh!
Oh!
Oh!
Let's go.
Let's go. Oh!
Let's go. Hey! Oh no!
Oh! Oh!
Ah. Get her back. Don't worry about it. Oh! Yeah! 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 Let's go.
Oh!
Go
Oh!
ahead.
Oh!
Come on now.
Oh! There we go.
Well responses. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Go ahead. Go that way. That way. That way. That way. That way. Oh. Go ahead. Oh no! 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 Go out that game. Red. Oh, red. Oh.
Well, there's nothing we can do about that bull for now. He's over there. I hope he didn't cross the river.
Come on, bud. All right, let's go. Come on. Okay. This is the time to cut it again.
I keep thinking my camelback is leaking, but I think it's just the dew from it.
Yeah, dude, it's dewy out. Supposed to rain today?
Yeah, way more than Monday.
Didn't rain at all, really.
Yeah, sprinkle down. Hard sprinkle.
Anything is better than nothing.
No, it was like 10 or 15% of the area on Monday, and then today it's like 80 or 90% of the area supposed to rain. So it's like way more, and that's the rest till like Sunday, Saturday, Sunday. Supposed to be with.
Hopefully. It should start speeding up, like it should be getting really wet.
In the first week of September.
October should be so. But this year's weird.
It's all good. Here you go. Didn't know where to go.